name is Sheikh SAJID. My roll number is 5L4. I'm a student of second year CACD. Today let us discuss about artificial intelligence. My topic is AI. In this session we will discuss about what is AI, need of AI, features of AI, and types of artificial intelligence, advantages and disadvantages, uses, and real world examples of artificial intelligence. First of all, what it is a branch of computer science by which we can create expert intelligent machines which can behave like humans, think like humans, and can able to make their own decisions. AI stands for artificial intelligence. In that term, artificial means man-made and intelligence means thinking power. Of AI, or we can say that the purpose of AI, to create expert systems that exhibit intelligent behavior with the capability to learn, demonstrate, and advise its own users. Also, with the help of AI, we can help machines to overcome to find solutions to complex problems, like as we humans do, and applying them in as logarithms in a computer-friendly manner. Also, with the help of AI, we can create our own virtual assistant that can help us in e-commerce websites. Next, features of AI. There are several features of AI. Some of them are facial recognition, deep learning, cloud computing, machine learning, artificial neural networks, speech recognition, pattern recognition, chatbots, and some of them are there, and so on, etc. Let's discuss about some of them in detail. Facial recognition. With the help of artificial intelligence, even it is made possible to recognize faces. Using biometric mapping, AI can recognize the face with the help of taking the facial data which is in front of the camera and comparing it with the facial data that is present within the database. One of the best example is one of the face unlock feature of currently present in all the smartphones, and as it takes the picture of which is present in front of the camera and compares it with that of the facial data which is present within the database. Next, deep learning. Deep learning is a subpart of machine learning, which in turn is a subpart of artificial intelligence. Deep learning enables a computer to think exactly like humans. It provides intelligence to, in simple terms, we can say that deep learning provides intelligence to the machines like humans to think like humans. In this field also a lot of work has been is being done to improve in this area. Example of deep learning are self-driving cars. We can see that in cars like Tesla, deep learning plays a very important role in these days. It can also help us to distinguish between a lamppost and a human being. And another feature of AI is cloud computing. Cloud computing generally in a daily life we get some amount of data which can be which we store physically, but after some time it becomes a very difficult to store data in physical form. But the development of cloud computing has made it convenient and easier to store data in digitally rather than physically. This artificial intelligence has made it easier to develop the cloud computing. Example of cloud computing is Microsoft Azure, that we most commonly use in computer technology. Now, also there are several features like machine learning. Machine learning is a subpart of artificial intelligence. Machine learning helps to understand. It means it enables machine to take their own decisions based upon the data that has been provided. And the future of AI is natural language processing. Natural language processing enables the machines to understand, interpret, and generate the human language that we humans can understand. Chatbots. Generally, we know that chatbots are mostly used in e-commerce websites that are very helpful to the user to make it easier to understand, to make it easier to browse the website. Next, types of AI. There are several types of AI. Type AI is categorized into two types based on capabilities and functionalities. Based on capabilities. Based on capabilities, there are three types of AI. Narrow AI, also it can be said as weak AI. Narrow AI is a type of AI which is able to perform a specific or dedicated task with intelligence. This is the most common AI which is mostly used in the current uh, in, uh, in these present days. Uh, Narrow AI is also said to be weak AI. This is due to narrow AI, as we know that narrow AI artificial intelligence is dedicated for a specific task and it cannot perform out of its limitations or its limits. So this is also said to be weak AI. We are still in the phase of weak AI. Next, another type of AI is general AI. General AI is a type of intelligence which could perform only some tasks that has which could perform any task with the efficiency like humans. General AI is the another phase of AI that is currently developing in these days. Uh, for these type of AI are in still development. Super AI. Super AI is a level of intelligence of systems at which the intelligence of machines could surpass the human intelligence and take over the humans and can perform tasks better than the human beings with cognitive properties. It is the outcome of a general AI. Examples of narrow AI are self-driving cars or Apple Siri, etc. Google Alexa. Some of these examples comes under narrow AI. General AI is in still development. Super AI is far in future. Based on functionality, there are four types of AI. First one is reactive machines. Pure reactive machines are the most basic types of artificial intelligence. Such AI systems do not store memories or past experiences for future actions. These type of artificial intelligence, reactive machines, only focus on current scenarios and react on it as per possible. They give best actions for the current scenarios. Examples of reactive machines are IBM Deep Blue systems or Google's AlphaGo. These are some of the examples of reactive machines. Another type of AI is limited memory. Limited memory machines can store past experiences for a short period of time. These machines can store the past memories and can utilize these memories in the present, but only for a short limited period of time. Examples of limited memory are self-driving cars. Another type of artificial intelligence are theory of mind. Theory of mind artificial intelligence should understand the human feelings, beliefs, emotions, and able to interact socially like humans. These type of AIs are similar to general AI, which is discussed previously, which is one of the type of artificial intelligence which comes under based on capability. These are currently in development, so these have no examples. And the type of AI is self-awareness. Self-awareness AI is the future of artificial intelligence. These machines will be super intelligent. These are similar to the super AIs, which is discussed previously, and will have their own consciousness, sentiments, and self-awareness. They can may be able to take over the humans, as they will become highly intellectual. These AIs may come in the future. So far we discussed about types of AI. Now let us know advantages of AI. Some of the advantages are high accuracy with less errors. It means machines can perform very fastly. There is less chances to that prone to errors. Another advantage is high speed. These machines are highly very fast and can take and they can make fast decision making. These machines are highly reliable. These machines are useful for risky areas. Example, in the case of bomb defusing. Another advantages of artificial intelligence is digital assistant, or we can say that virtual assistants like Apple Siri, Google Alexa, etc. Another advantage of artificial intelligence is useful as public utility. One of the best examples for this scenario is self-driving cars. That is mostly seen in these days. Disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Some of the disadvantages are high cost. The hardware and software that are used for development of artificial intelligence machines are of high cost, which cannot be affordable sometimes. The disadvantage is can't think out of box. The machines that are developed with the help of artificial intelligence cannot think on their own. As we humans create them, we only provide the data to the machines. So it is a disadvantage. No feelings and emotions. These are AI machines cannot have human emotions and they have no feelings. This is another disadvantage, as they cannot communicate with the humans properly. And the disadvantage is increasing dependency on machines. If AI has been developed, then human will depend more on machines, and there will be a lack of physical work for the humans, so they will become lazy. And the disadvantage is no original creativity. As we humans create the AI machines, these machines are there is no these machines cannot create on their own. They create only based upon the data we have been provided. This is another disadvantage of AI. Artificial intelligence is used in various sectors. In healthcare sector, it is used as in drug discovery and medical diagnosis. In financial sector, it can be used for fraud detection. In retail sector, it is used for price optimization. In manufacturing sector, it is used for product optimization. In transportation sector, it is used to detect traffic. And it is also used for in self-driving cars, automobiles, etc. In customer service sector, chatbots play a very crucial role as a help as they guide humans in e-commerce websites and help also support to answer the frequently asked questions. Security. In security sector, as we mostly know that the facial recognition and and other intrusion detection systems, etc. In these aspects, AI plays a crucial role. In marketing sector, AI helps to in advertising. In education sector, another use is in education sector, AI is used mostly for personalized learning, etc. Now, real examples of artificial intelligence are Google Maps, ride-hailing applications, face detection, e-commerce, e-payments, e-commerce websites, chatbots, text editors, search and recommendation algorithms, digital assistant, or we can say that virtual assistant, social media, healthcare, gaming, online ads, networks, banking and finance, etc. all these are real world examples of AI. So far in this session, we have discussed about AI and its advantages, disadvantages, and its types. Uh, 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 Now we can clearly say that artificial intelligence is playing a very crucial role in our day-to-day life, and in some scenarios it is very helpful, and in some cases it it is not helpful and it has its own drawbacks. This is introduction to AI. Thank you.